Due to necessary engineering works, there is no service in either direction on the Piccadilly line. Rail replacement bus services are in operation.
Hey, what is going on, guys? I am at Hammersmith station here to be train spotting for London's newest deep level tube line. It's the 2024 TS Piccadilly line. Now, I believe now that's the reason why the Piccadilly line is closed, because of what's happening right now. You see this? The Piccadilly line's 2024 stock is currently in testing right now. So I came all the way to Hammersmith to catch the Piccadilly line train approaching. I can see that this is the S7 stock district line approaching. But I'm just gonna go past that and focus on what's important. But yeah, without further ado, let's begin train spotting.
Please stand behind the yellow line on platform 4 times for your safety.
Yes, look at that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, we should expect the Piccadilly line's 2024 stock to be in service around mid-2026. But anyway, if you made it this far, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you up into the next journey video, or train spotting video, or full journey videos. Peace out.